Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am showing a process video for a fun penguin scene. And yes, this would be another Christmas card that I have made in the middle of the year. You can never be too prepared. Before I begin, I'd like to ask you to get clicky for Vicki. Just do as it says on the screen. For this card I used Lawn Fawn, Here We Go A Waddling, Starry Skies backdrop die, an oval from Giant Holiday Messages, a piece of ombre glitter cardstock from my cardstock stash. I skipped a bit of card prep for on screen for this one as there was quite a bit of die cutting to do. Here you will see the starry sky backdrop, an oval of glitter cardstock and also a snowy hillside. Off screen I stamped a trio of singing penguins and a penguin with a guitar. I did this in Memento Tuxedo black ink on Nina Classic Crest £80 cardstock. I chose my alcohol marker colours to coordinate with the sparkly cardstock. Here I colour the images and I think, just maybe, I have managed to find a solution for showing my caps clearly on screen. I purchased a small wooden block cut in the shape of a star. When my Copic caps are placed on here they don't blur out as much. It also gives me a subtle reminder to put them on here and not hold them in my hand or put them off screen so you can't see them. However, the camera angle is still a bit iffy in places and you do see a fair bit of the top of my head, but I feel like I am finally making progress in filming the colouring sections of my video. Here's Maggie, making sure that everything is in order. With the images coloured and fussy cut, I take the first steps in putting the card together. I use liquid glue to attach the hillside to the glitter cardstock. My plan changed here as originally I stamped the penguin with the guitar, then I changed my mind and wanted to use the penguin with the bell, but then I realised he was too small to put on the action wobbler, so I reverted back to the rockstar penguin. I colour him in off screen. I use my No Mess glitter application for the accessories on the penguins. This is made possible with a quickie glue pen and a large tub of Lawn Fawn Prisma glitter. As mentioned previously, I want my rockstar penguin to rock and roll, so I add an action wobbler to the back of him and of course I test it out to make sure it works. I lay out the sections of sentiment, Hope Your Christmas Jingle Bell Rocks in the bottom right corner. I stamp these on white cardstock and then colour them using the same Copics from earlier so that everything coordinates nicely. Time to assemble the card. I carefully add glue to the starry panel, avoiding the many cutout pieces, and I attach this to a white panel of cardstock. I then trim down the excess. I then attach the oval and finally the sentiment strips. Time to call it done. I did a little research here. Penguins live almost exclusively in the southern hemisphere and would not see the northern lights but instead the southern lights or Aurora Australis. I'm not sure they would be singing Jingle Bell Rock though as they watch the southern lights, but it is funny to imagine it. This card was inspired by episode 210 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. I used an action wobbler. I have northern lights, which further research stated should be southern lights where penguins can be found, black cardstock for a Blackboard element, and an oval die cut for the main scene. My penguins are also oval in shape. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to get clicky for Vicki. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone. Take care and I will be back soon.